TJ.
And I'm Allie, and we're here to teach you about exponential functions
And logarithms.
What?
Oh!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Are you alright?
No!
What's wrong?
I broke my basic exponential form.
Oh no!
Oh no!
I'm here to help. You broke your exponential formula. It is A, open parentheses, B, close parentheses, raised to the x power. I am here to help you.
So hi, I'm Wanda.
And I'm Glinda.
And Glinda is here because the footage you just watched was the very traumatic scene of that woman falling and breaking her basic exponential form.
Very traumatic.
Glinda, you were there on the scene. Tell me about it.
So I had to act quick, Wanda. I really did. I had to recollect all the information from Miss Kenton's math class.
Miss Kenton.
Miss Kenton, oh, she's a wonderful woman.
Oh, I hear all
Let me
about
tell
her.
ya.
She's great.
Yes, she loves her lime Skittles.
Oh my God, and she loves her little baby too, I hear.
I know.
And I hear she gives extra credit for those kids that are really good.
I know. Yes, so as I was saying, the exponential form is A, open parentheses, B, close parentheses, raised to the x power.
So in transformations, what is A?
A is, it determines the range, which is the y value.
So up and down.
Yes.
Okay, and then the B would determine
The domain or the x values.
which is across.
Yeah.
So basically, range is like up, down,
And the domain is from side to side.
so when they broke their basic exponential form, they could not go either or?
No, they had to stay put and they had to be wheeled around in a wheelchair.
Oh my God, is that permanent?
Well, they had to learn it all over again.
Oh gosh.
I know. Took some time.
Oh man.
But with Miss Kenton's help, they should be on their way.
So we'd just like to thank Wanda and Glinda for that nice interview. Really put some things to light.
Smooth the cement, if you will.
Yes, thank you. So next we have to determine
The equation from two given points.
2 given points. Wow, that's a lot of points.
Yes.
Sounds like a little risky situation.
That means 2 x's and 2 y's, ladies and gents.
So to put this in medical terms, they had to determine which 2 points the bone was broken at, the exponential form that is.
Yes. So, in this example, if you will, we have the point 216 and we have the other point 256.
That's a big number, but you know what? I noticed a pattern. They're both divisible by 4.
Yes, they are.
Holy moly. Didn't go to college for nothing.
Exactly. So, as we digress, we start by making both of the y values equal to ab to the power of that x. So, for example, 256 is equal to ab raised to the 6th power, and
16 is divided by, it's divided by 16 equals ab to the squared.
and then you end up getting 16 equals b to the 4th.
Yes, but 16, when you square root it to the 4th power, will get you 2.
Yes.
So that determines your b value.
Exactly. And then what you do is you plug in the 2 where b is, okay? So now it's a2 raised to the 2nd power.
And then you get b equals a times 4, which is 4 times 2 to the x.
Woo! Alright, that was exponential growth because as I went up the stairs in whole numbers, it got bigger. So whenever you grow exponentially, it's always a whole number.
And that was exponential decay because it's always going down, just like the amount of stairs I just went down. Next, we will show some brief examples of graphs with determining 2 given points. Here we have the point 4, 8 and 11, 1, and as you can see they are demonstrated on the graph, and there is the line from the equation.
Okay, so as you see, we have the points 8, 12, and 4, 5 on this linear graph.
Alright, so Wanda and
Glinda.
back here again to talk about solving exponentials. So I've heard there's 3 steps in the process, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the first one is to determine whether or not the two exponents have the same base.
All right, and the second is to ignore the base. If exponents are equal and have the same base, then their exponents are equal.
Wow, and then step 3 is simply to solve
For the equation. Easy as that. 1, 2, 3.
You know, Miss Kenton.
She's a great woman.
Yeah.
Very vibrant. Very lifeful.
Okay. I'm Wanda, back here again with a new little child prodigy, and she's here to show us some of her log graphs.
Yes. So, hi, my name is Penelope. These are my log graphs that I made in class the other day. Miss Kenton's class, to be exact. She is helping me get math right on track. It is now my best friend. So anywho, here is my number 1 best friend. Y equals log subscript 2 times x. And as you can see, it is in the orange, and there are 2. It can either be going up, or it can either be going sideways.
This is good stuff.
Next, we have my second best friend. Y equals log subscript 3 times x. And that is also going up and sideways. And then the third one, it's the same, it's just a little lower.
Thank you. All right, so as we close out the show, I'd just like to thank you all for watching and learning about exponential functions and logarithms. I'd like to thank Wanda, Glinda, everybody that was on the show. My name is Allie, and this is...
And I am PJ.
And we love to get some extra
Credit
for this. And we're going to do our outro now. Bum, 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 Bye!
Bye! Thanks for watching, guys! Love you, Miss Kitten. Peace!
Woo!
Oh no! Somebody needs help! Your basic exponential form is a parenthesis b parenthesis x to the exponential.
Oh no!
Are you alright?
No, I broke my...
Hello, it is PJ and Ellie. Ellie and Ellie. We are here today to teach you math.
Ooh, math, you say?
I say.
You're supposed to say your name.
Oh, shoot. Hi, I'm PJ.
And I'm Allie. You're tilting the camera.
Hi, I'm PJ. Hi. I wasn't ready. Hey. I just really wanted to do that. Oh no! I heard you broke your exponential power for... Wait.
Thank you. So, what are we going to discuss?
Please hold. Oh, you got it?
Right.
Hold on, let me get comfy.
Am I even in the shop? Okay. So, transformations. So, obviously that event that occurred was very traumatic for you. And as for the person it
I
happened
know.
to, I'm Wanda. You think that's funny? You want to go ham?
I'm Glinda! Okay, we can just cut this all out.
Okay. And take. I'm Wanda.
And I'm Glinda.
Okay, so
Nice to meet you.
yes, thank you. So you were the EMT reacting on the scene
Yes.
when she broke her basic exponential form.
It was very traumatic. I had to think fast and use my knowledge from Miss Kenton's math class.
Man, Miss Kenton, that woman, I heard she's amazing.
Oh my gosh, she is, and she really loved those lime Skittles, let me tell you.
Oh, and I heard she gives you out that extra credit too, like it's willy-nilly.
I know.
But you gotta be a good kid.
Okay, yes, I have to admit. We have to put that in there.
We're good, okay. So obviously when you know, it was filmed that you came onto the scene, you gave the exponential formula.
Yeah.
Can you recall that real quick?
Oh, yes, okay. So the exponential formula is A, open parentheses, B, close parentheses, raised to the x power.
Okay, so what does that A mean in the transformations?
The A,
Determines range.
yes,
So,
obviously. And the
Yeah.
B determines domain.
yeah. But range is y values, so up and down, and then range is
And
x
then
values.
domain is x values.
Sorry, yes, domain is x.
So domain is x values, back and forth.
This old brain can't keep up,
I know, we're getting old, Wanda.
I know. Alright, so next we gotta determine the cause of the injury, or determining the whole situation. Alright, so we'll
Yes.
get rid of that. We'll move over to the hospital room. Alright.
How quick was I? It's exponential